Niko na hotuba ambayo imeandikwa na Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. Unaweza kuniruhusu nisome katika lugha ya Kiingereza kwa vile imeandikwa katika hiyo lugha. Condolence message to Mr. George Morara Parosi on the loss of your father, Mwalimu retired David Ndege Parosi. It is with profound sadness that I've learned of the demise of your dear father, Mwalimu David Ndege Parosi, on 12th May 2024. On behalf of the judiciary, the Judicial Service Commission, Office of the Chief Justice, and President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, and my family, receive our deepest condolences during this period of grief. We stand with you and pray that God gives you the fortitude and the grace to bear this loss. Mwalimu Parosi was a pillar of strength to his family. He will be remembered for his generosity, hard work, and love for God, his children and grandchildren. I'm largely informed that Mwalimu Parosi was a very passionate about education. So much that he started teaching as a trained teacher and later joined Migori Teaching Training College, where he trained as a teacher. Thereafter, he taught in Kakamega, Nyamira, Koome'S, and Marara primary schools. The achievements of one of his sons, Mr. George Morara Parosi, our Deputy Director, Human Resource, is a testament of Mwalimu's dedication and passion for education. Mwalimu Parosi was a devout Christian. He fellowshiped at the Koome'S Seventh-day Adventist Church, where he held various leadership roles. We thank God for blessing him with many years of service to the church and society. His presence and influence will be greatly missed by his family, relatives, and friends. May your recollections of your dear father and the legacy he has left sustain and give you comfort during this difficult period. May the Almighty God embrace Mwalimu David Parosi in everlasting peace. Written and signed, Honorable Justice Martha Koome, EGH, Chief Justice, President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, 23rd May 2024. Thanks so much for